Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 25th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so we're going to be going over this week's close in on May 22nd into the Memorial Day weekend. Okay, no trading today on a Monday. Okay, last week was a pretty slow day, but still gave opportunity to enter or trigger on several stocks. First off, we're going to start off with the OTC, ticker symbol CCTL. Okay, it's still holding our levels. Okay, nothing has changed on this stock. Okay, in the beginning when we did send this out, it gave us an opportunity to enter at these lows. Okay, then we had a rally here at 0.0034 from that 0.0019 level. Okay, then we pulled back, triggered again at 15, and then we hit that high of 0.0026. Now what we're seeing is a little bit of consolidation here. The stock has not closed below our stop, so it's still holding and triggering. Okay, so what we're looking for now is a little bit of a rounded bottom. If we do manage to close above that 0.00226 level, then I'm looking for that 0.0034 level. Okay, right now you do have a summer slowdown, but with that said, you still are seeing some accumulation here. So I do believe that CCTL will hold. Still a good trade from levels. Last week, the KATX, ticker symbol KATX, triggered at 0.001. That stock ended up hitting a high of 18, but since then it has pulled back, seen a little bit of higher lows. Okay, and we closed at the week at 16. Still have an oversold chart with a bit of a reversal here, signs of a reversal. What we're looking for is a close above that 21-day moving average of 19. Okay, so watch that close above 19 on two consecutive closes. If this does pull back, I do like that 0.001 level entry for a longer term hold. Okay, moving on to the QLTS. We talked about the QLTS and this wedge pattern, this flag pattern. Okay, we told traders to watch that 0.0019 to 0.002 level, and that actually triggered for us. It actually hit a low of here at 0.0019, and then the stock ended up closing at 0.0031. This was a stock that was given out through a Sunday meeting, okay, and it gave an opportunity to enter at these lows. Okay, just a good trade. Any pullbacks we talked about, watch that pullback down here to that 0.002 level. If it does pull back and gives entry, I think this will bounce. You got a 20-day moving average converging or coming into that 50-day moving average at this 0.0026 level. So you're going to get pretty significant support here at 0.0025 to 0.0026. This stock has tested that 0.005 level before. So I think that this will give opportunity for a move here on the QLTS. Moving on, the SLIO. This was a stock that I mentioned, buy zones from 8 to 10. Okay, this did trigger here in our box accumulation here. It gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0008. Actually pulled back, hit that 0008 and kissed it, and we closed at 0.0015. So just a good move here on the SLIO. Okay, watch for a close above 15 on two consecutive times. If it does, okay, you may test this 16 and a breakout above. Okay, still, you have to understand that this is the summer and there is a summer slowdown. So I just want traders to understand that concept. Okay, moving on to the small caps. GBSN, just a beautiful trade. Triggered at the low $2.52. It actually hit our target 1 of $3 and a target 2 of $3.50. Right now, it's trading at $3.02. Any pullback down to this level will give a re-entry for this stock. So just keep an eye on the GBSN. If it does kiss that $3 level, it'll be a re-entry level on this stock. Okay, what we're looking for here is a close above this $3.20 level for a continuation up to test that $4 range. Just a good move on the GBSN. For those traders that don't understand the small caps, we have a small cap watch list every Sunday night. And when they do trigger, we send them out via mobile app or SMS. So just a great trade on the GBSN for a small cap. Okay, next stock is the WLT. Okay, the WLT triggered on May 18th at a low of 38 cents. Okay, this stock ended up hitting a high of 49 cents and we actually saw a high of 56 cents, and the stock now pulling back to that 48 level. What we're looking for here is a little bit of consolidation, and just watch the higher lows now. Now we're starting to see a little bit of a channel here. So what you want to see is this stock maybe pull back to that 40 range. Maybe a kiss of that 40 range can give a re-entry level on the WLT. Okay, just a good trade. Gave an opportunity to actually hit our target 2 as well. High of 56 cents, and that was on May 22nd. So May 22nd, we actually had a nice target 2 reached. Okay, so that was just a good trade on the WLT. Okay, next stock is the IBIO. Okay, the IBIO had a nice move here. IBIO gave an opportunity to enter as low as about here, right here at this level. Okay, gave an opportunity to enter as low as this level here, and that was a low of 82 cents. Okay, 82, 83 cents. And since then, the stock has rallied, hit a high of $1.09, okay, on May 21st. And now what we're looking for, any pullback here, any pullback down to this level would be a good re-entry level. So watch that 0.009 level for that re-entry on the IBIO. Okay, moving on to the larger caps. Okay, just a great move on Adobe. When we mentioned this stock, we were talking about the $72.50 to $73.40 range. We were talking about potential of 76. We actually hit a high of $81. Just a beautiful move. Now what you want to see is a potential fib retrace here from these levels. Okay, now watch that 77.80 level for a pullback. If you do get a correction, watch that 77.80 level for a pullback and a bounce. Okay, looking at this, if you're looking to short, it's still got significant strength, but at the same time, you are reaching a little bit of resistance here at that 81.82 level. So just keep an eye on the Adobe for any pullback. Okay, next stock is the SPY. We talked about 212.80 to 213.80. Shorting opportunity. This actually hit a high of 213.70 level, and we took some short position there. Pulled back, hit a low of 212.90. So what we're looking for is any retrace level down to that 211 level. So traders that added the shorts, I think that we'll see a little bit of a slight correction, but still the markets are considerably stronger. So I do think that we may break into new highs. I did post some option triggers and option setups looking for into next week for the SPY. So if you want to know that, just join radiosilentplay.com and you'll get those levels. Okay, for the next one was the USO. Okay, this traded perfectly. It triggered for us at 1966. Hit a high of $20.56 and now pulling back. We do have some setups here for the USO. We're looking for oil to see a move. We're anticipating either 2 scenarios. So those scenarios are posted on the option triggers. If you want to see that, just join radiosilentplay.com. But just a great move from that 1966 for a scalp. We hit a high of $20.56 on May 21st. Okay, moving on. The BABA, just a great trade on the BABA. We gave this stock as low as $80.90, and this stock actually hit a high of $95. Just a beautiful move here. Now, what I think is any pullback down to that 89 level will give an opportunity for a little bit of a short-term correction. Okay, we are seeing a little bit of a resistance here on BABA right here. So until we clear this level at 95, you have a resistance here at 95 level. So those traders looking at this 95 level, watch that kiss above that 95 level. If it does kiss, I think you may have a little bit of a correction down to this 89.90 level. So if it does kiss that 94.95 level, I think we'll have a little bit of a correction here down on the BABA. Okay, just a great move anyway on the BABA for those traders that took that bullish flag pattern setup. Okay, next stock is the SSYS. This was a stock that we sent out 35 level. Okay, the stock did bounce, hit a high of 38. Since then, it's pulled back. I think that any pullback down to this 35.50 will give a beautiful opportunity for a long position. Okay, I think the stock is in a bottom buy zone area, so watch the SSYS. Okay, the BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, this was a stock that we talked about, the fake out breakout. We actually have another fake out breakout trade on the option triggers. If you want to see that, you just join radiosilentplay.com. Just a beautiful move. It tested this 74 level, kissed it, never confirmed above this trend line, and then we had a nice pullback down here. held that support here at 71.30 and then had a slight bounce. Any opportunity or rebounds up to the 73, 74 level will be a shorting opportunity until we get a confirmation above that level. So just keep an eye on that BBBY. All right, so that's about it. I just want to update. We are working on something called the RSP Pro Elite Trading Team. Okay, this is totally different from what Premium is. So this is going to be an added new service. Okay, so I will be explaining a little bit what that is later on. Okay, we're just working on it as we speak right now. So this is something new. Again, this is going to be a totally different service in comparison to the Premium. So this is going to be an added service. So if traders want to learn a little bit about it, just email me. Again, this is going to be a completely new service for traders. More details coming soon. Apple iOS 8 app should be out maybe before June, or maybe like beginning of June. So we're looking forward to that. So we will be giving out exact dates pending. So just want to thank everybody for the loyal support, and any questions you have, just comment box down here on the YouTube channel. If you have any issues or any concerns, just email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a good night.